So, hey guys, welcome back to Blazing Football. As you know, we have been covering all the games, all the top games in the Premier League. We are here with another preview session of the game Aston Villa versus Liverpool. We are joined by Aditya Shankar, as you know, a die-hard Liverpool fan who's uncatchable and unstoppable after what Liverpool have achieved through this season. So, Aditya, how do you feel about this game with Aston Villa not performing to that level, which would which is considered good or which is considered okayish. They are very poor. And what is your take about this game?
The thing is, neither did Liverpool perform last game. So, yeah, it's going to be a good game, and it's a more of the Liverpool would want to get back to winning ways because, like I said in the previous video, I'll say it again. Klopp would want to break City's record. So,
So basically, last game we saw Liverpool like play really, really bad, and they were very vulnerable defensively, especially the counterpart of Van Dijk in Gomez. So how do you think you're gonna cope up, and will it? Do you think it'll be a reaction for the game you lost against City? And
see, one thing is it's a home game,
yes,
and second thing is the fact that they would never want to lose at home or drop points at home, and this is one of their easy fixtures. But they still have to play Arsenal. They have to play, this what is that, Chelsea. So I don't
yes.
really think they are going to go very easy. I mean, they would make few changes, but they will be on. They will try to get the 3 points.
With the season more or less over for Liverpool, with them not surviving in the Champions League or not surviving in the FA Cup, the season is like more or less over. How do you think Klopp is going to pan out with the changes for the team? Let's go into the predicted 11 of yours for the game against Aston Villa, starting from the goalkeeper.
The goalkeeper, I think it's going to be Allison because
Yeah,
he would want to get the Golden Glove. So he will. It will be Allison Becker and right back. I think Trent would still start. Trent.
Trent
Trent.
was substituted last game, no, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, he was
Williams,
in the.
Nico Williams had come in.
Yeah,
So
it was.
don't you expect Nico Williams to start this game, or do you
No,
think
not
it's going to
really.
be a
Not
mixture?
really. I think Trent would still start the game. Center back, I honestly feel I think it's going to be a pairing of Fabinho and Van Dijk. And
The- Is this because of what Gomez had done the last game, or is there any other reason for this?
no, one of the reasons is Gomez didn't really perform well, and another reason is he would want to play a solid midfield, and with that, Henderson can play a defensive midfield role. So I think he will play Fabinho and the Van Dijk because I think Fabinho has played in centre back position before against Bayern Munich last season, and
And even the last game when Gomez was taken off.
yeah, so he has played before, and I think that is what Klopp will choose tomorrow. And
So what about the left back?
left back, I think James Milner will play. He's back
So
from
you
injury.
don't expect Robertson to start.
No, I don't.
Very interesting, since he just came back from injury and probably played a game or two. I guess I'm not very sure. You still
No.
you still expect him to be rested for this game.
Yeah, not rather rested, dropped. I think
Okay.
James Milner will play, and the midfield it's going to be Henderson, Naby Keita, and Wijnaldum. Uh,
Okay.
or rather, I wouldn't take Wijnaldum. It will be Oxlade Chamberlain. I think this will be the midfield.
And Oxlade Chamberlain did contribute in the last game with a goal, right, for City.
Yeah, I mean,
He looks a
you
quality
can't
asset.
really blame him for that. I was
Yeah.
surprised the fact that he actually came that far behind to defend. So
So you expect a midfield trio of Naby Keita, Henderson, and Oxley Chamberlain.
yeah, that's
You
right.
leave out Takumi Minamino from
Takumi
the
Minamino
midfield.
will start as the forward, center forward, instead of
And what
Firmino.
about your three forwards? You go with the traditional 4-3-3.
4-3-3 with Mane, Minamino, and Salah to start.
So you are literally dropping Firmino,
No, I
and you don't think
Firmino. I
Origi
don't.
will start.
Sorry.
You don't think Origi will start.
No, I think it'll be Minamino because
Minamino.
Minamino is the player Klopp would want to. I think he's the direct replacement for Firmino. So I think Minamino will start the game along with Salah and Mane.
So even after a blunder game for Mane, you think you expect him to start again
Yeah, of course.
over Divock Origi or someone
Origi
waiting in
is
the wings
not really a
for their
winger,
chances.
but Origi is not really a winger. So
Yeah, but still he has been played in that position before, if I'm not wrong.
yeah, he has, but I certainly feel Mane will start, Salah will start, and it'll be Minamino in front. And even Firmino, the only reason why he wouldn't start, I feel, is because Klopp would want to try to make few changes, and
So
Minamino will be one of them.
so he basically you feel that Klopp would want to give Minamino a chance to prove himself, and that's the reason he would start Minamino over Firmino.
Yeah, I mean that was the whole reason behind why Minamino was bought, and he's
So your predicted 11 would be Allison at goal with Trent Alexander-Arnold in the right back, along with Van Dijk and Fabinho in the centre backs. And left back you'll have James Miller, along with the midfield trio of Jordan Henderson, Navigator, and Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain, along with the forward line of Mane, Minamino, and Salah.
yeah, that's right.
So, guys, that is what our expert in Aditya Shankar here thinks
But
the predicted lineup would be. If you feel there would be any changes to what Aditya has told, please feel free to comment and please feel free to let us know where we can improve and stuff. But do like, comment, and share and keep supporting us. That's all we have for this episode from Blazing Football. Thank you.